Hi, everyone. It's Laura Lynn, and welcome to the live question and answer with about Midnight Kitty. Now, we don't have anyone live here for this call, but I did get an email question, and that was from Sue. Sue was asking about Midnight's eyes. She does not have any clear eyes and she does not have any colored eyes. She just has the black glass eyes and she'd like to use what she has. And can she use those? What with using black fabric? And yes, so you can use the black glass eyes if you like. And what you would do is accent them a bit with some whites underneath the eyes. And you can do that with needle felting. I'm going to share my screen with you to show you where the class is that shows you how to put the whites under your eyes, under your bear's or kitty's eyes. And okay, we're going to go here inside Teddy Bear Academy. And this is actually, we're going to go to the dashboard because I've already gotten to a second page. And I want to show you all the steps to get there. So when you first click on your My Dashboard, you will get to this page of your dashboard. And we're going to go to some of the mini classes. And these are the mini classes on how to do eyes. Here we go, Beautiful Eyes mini classes. You click on this. And then look on the left side, there are several different mini classes all about eyes. And here it's adding eye whites using needle felting. So if you go to this class, it will show you how to add the whites of the eyes right underneath the eyes with needle felting. If the video doesn't show up right away, try refreshing the page. There we go. And this will show you how I add eye whites using needle felting. I hope that answers your question for today. And this is our last live Q&A that's dedicated to Midnight. And I think what we're going to start doing is we're going to have some Q&As about anything that is on, that is included with Teddy Bear Academy. If you have any questions about the classes, you can email me if you like, because that seems to be the preferred method of contacting me and asking me questions. And you can also take pictures and include the pictures or videos if you want to, and attach those to your emails. And that might help explain your question a little better. But our next Q&A will be in 2 weeks. I hope you have a good week. Have a happy Halloween, and we'll see you later. Bye.